The buzz around Apple's latest MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M4 Pro chip has been electrifying, and I finally got my hands on one. As a content creator managing my technology review channel, upgrading to this powerhouse was a decision I didn't take lightly. Join me as I dive into the unboxing, explore its standout features, and share how it performs in real-world scenarios. Plus, I'll touch on why I chose this specific configuration over others. Unboxing the MacBook Pro M4 Pro. Right out of the box, Apple's signature minimalistic packaging doesn't disappoint. Inside, the 14-inch MacBook Pro in silver is an absolute stunner. Here's what I found. MagSafe cable, a USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable that attaches magnetically for seamless charging. 96W charger, compact but powerful. It's wrapped neatly in white to match the silver model. Quick start guide and documentation, clear, concise, and perfect for beginners. Apple's attention to detail is evident in everything from the engraved MacBook Pro on the bottom to the sleek silver finish. While the space black variant is new and appealing, I stuck with silver for its fingerprint-resistant quality and timeless charm. Design and build quality. At just 1.6 kilograms, this laptop strikes the perfect balance between portability and power. The chassis features a robust aluminum design, with strategically placed vents for efficient cooling. On the sides, you'll find MagSafe port, 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, headphone jack, SD card reader, another Thunderbolt 5 port, HDMI port. For someone like me who frequently transfers footage from cameras, the inclusion of an SD card slot is a lifesaver. Why the M4 Pro chip stands out. After using the M4 Pro chip for just a few weeks, I'm genuinely impressed. Compared to my 10-year-old Intel-based MacBook Pro, the difference is night and day. The new chip excels in video editing. Editing 4K footage from my Sony a7 IV in DaVinci Resolve 19 is buttery smooth, with no lag or delays. Photo editing. Working with raw files in Photoshop is faster than ever. Battery life. Apple claims up to 24 hours of use, and I've managed an entire day of editing, writing, and watching videos with around 30% battery left. This chip also introduces Thunderbolt 5, which significantly improves data transfer speeds and external monitor support. Why I chose the 14-inch model with M4 Pro. Apple offers 3 configurations for the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Base M4 model, starting at $1,600 with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. M4 Pro model, starting at $2,000 with more CPU and GPU cores, plus upgraded RAM and SSD options. M4 Max model, starting at $3,200 for those needing extreme performance. For my needs, the M4 Pro configuration with 24GB RAM and a 1TB SSD hit the sweet spot. Here's why. 24GB of unified memory, future-proofed for Apple's upcoming AI-powered features. 1TB SSD, ample space for 4K video files and creative projects. While the M4 Max is tempting for heavy-duty tasks like 3D rendering, it's overkill for video editing, photo editing, and the occasional gaming session. Display, Retina versus Nano texture. One of the toughest decisions was whether to go with the Nano texture display. While it's marketed as a game-changer for reducing glare in bright environments, I opted for the standard Retina display.
Why?
Usage environment. I use my laptop indoors 90% of the time. Brightness. The Retina display can reach 1000 nits in outdoor mode, making it more than capable in direct sunlight. Cost savings. Skipping the Nano texture option saved me $150. The Retina display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details, making it a joy for creative tasks. Performance in real-world tasks. Video editing. Exporting a 10-minute 4K video with effects in DaVinci Resolve took just under 5 minutes, an incredible improvement over my previous laptop. Photo editing. Editing high-resolution images with multiple layers in Photoshop feels snappy and intuitive. Gaming. While not its primary purpose, the MacBook Pro handled Fortnite at medium settings with ease. Battery life and cooling. The M4 Pro chip's energy efficiency is a game changer. During my daily workload, the laptop stayed cool and quiet, even under intensive tasks. Unlike my older Windows laptop, which sounded like a jet engine during exports, the MacBook Pro remains whisper quiet. macOS Sonoma, a seamless experience. The MacBook Pro comes pre-installed with macOS Sonoma, offering enhanced multitasking with Stage Manager, advanced privacy tools, upcoming AI-powered features set to launch in 2025. Switching from Windows to macOS was surprisingly smooth, thanks to its intuitive interface and tight integration with other Apple devices. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? The MacBook Pro M4 Pro has exceeded my expectations in every way. From its sleek design and powerful performance to its battery life and future-proof features, it's a worthwhile investment for content creators, designers, and professionals. If you're considering an upgrade, here's my advice. Base model, ideal for casual users. M4 Pro model, perfect for creatives needing a balance of performance and value. M4 Max model, reserved for professionals tackling resource-intensive tasks.